It's recommended to start support pillar placement in a new scene as it provides better visibility and helps keep objects organized. First, prepare the object. In this tutorial, we'll use a pre-filled Suzanne model optimized for printing, roughly fitting within a 4 cm square. Any visual adjustments to location, rotation, or scale will be applied during the pillar placement process, so it's recommended to use an object saved in a separate file. Select the object and press the Prepare Pillar Layout button to set it as the target object. The red highlighted areas indicate overhangs, which will become the base. Adjust the height by rotating and moving the object. Experiment with rotation to avoid placing support pillars on the front of the face. Overhang areas will shift as you make rotation adjustments. The optimal height may vary depending on your printer, but it's generally recommended to have the lowest point, about 3 mm from the ground. Now, press the Multi-Pillar button to start. If the polygon count is high, it may take some time depending on your system. We'll cover lightweight adjustments in a separate tutorial. This add-in is designed for manual fine-tuning to achieve optimal placement. From this point, adjustments will be made step by step in this tutorial. In this example, the default placement should print fine, but let's reposition a few pillars to improve balance. As you move the pillars, you may notice some turning red. This indicates that the top or body of the pillar might stick to the target object. If this happens, move the pillar to prevent sticking. Let's add more pillars for reinforcement. Select an existing pillar and duplicate it with Shift+D. Depending on your printer and resin characteristics, thicker pillars in areas where pull force is needed can improve print stability. Select a few lower areas and load the pillar_thick, setting to thicken only the selected pillars. Next, let's try mirror placement. For symmetrical objects, you only need to adjust one side, either left or right. First, avoid the central pillars and delete the unadjusted left half. Then, select the adjusted right half. Press Move Cursor to target only if the center point is aligned in the middle of the object's left and right sides. Then press Mirror X to complete symmetrical placement. If everything looks good, select the object and press the Bridge Pillars button. If you want to add more bridging, select specific pillars and press the Bridge Pillars button again. Select the target object and press the Fix Pillar Layout button to finalize the object in a fixed state. If you need to make further adjustments, select the object again and press the Prepare Pillar Layout button to set it as the target object. To edit pillars, select the purple Fixed Pillars and press to Auto Pillar or to Manual Pillar to re-edit. Bridges around these pillars will be removed, so after adjustments, select the pillars you wish to bridge again and press the Bridge Pillar button. Select the fixed object and press the Base Connection button to connect the bases of the pillars. This makes it easier to remove from the platform in one piece. Select the object and press the Export as STL button to save it to your desired location. And there you have it, a finished STL file. You can now load it into your slicer to create print-ready data. Here is the actual printed object. The optimal number and thickness of support pillars vary depending on the type of 3D printer and resin. With PrintSupportPro, you can save your file and fine-tune it as much as needed until your print succeeds. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.